Hello, I'm Harvey, and welcome to the final stage of setting up your account on the Heating app. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of exporting reports and recording purchases. These features will help you track and manage essential data for your business efficiently. To begin, please make sure you are using a desktop computer. Let's proceed by moving to the top right-hand corner and clicking on the three white lines. Next, select your reports from the menu. From this point, you will see the type of report section, which is a drop-down box, allowing you to select the specific type of report you wish to generate. Following that, you'll find a date from box, where you can input the starting date for the report, and below, a date to box, where you can specify the ending date for the report. These date fields allow you to customize the time period for which you want to export the report, providing you with data insights for a particular time frame. Let's head to the type box and see the different types of reports available to you. The sales report will provide you with a comprehensive list of all your sales, presented in a format compatible with your chosen bookkeeping software, as selected in the first video. This report serves as a valuable resource for maintaining accurate financial records and tracking your business's revenue. The customer's report will contain a detailed list of all customer contact details. This information can be utilized for marketing purposes, such as sending promotional emails or physical content to your customer base. The customer's needing appointment report offers a list of all customers who are currently not booked into the calendar. This report is particularly useful for prioritizing and scheduling appointments for customers who are due for a service. Your services report compiles a list of all the services and products you offer. This report helps you keep track of your offerings and ensures efficient management of your services portfolio. Lastly, the Heating app Invoices report provides a comprehensive list of all the invoices issued to you for using the app. This report enables you to keep track of your app-related expenses and payments. By utilizing these reports, you gain valuable insights into your business, streamline your operations, and enhance decision-making, ultimately contributing to the overall success and efficiency of your business processes. Now, let's move on to the final part of the setup process, which is managing your purchases. To do this, head back to the top right-hand corner and click on the three white lines. Then select Purchases from the menu options. In this section, you and your team members will have the ability to add and record any purchases that have been made for your business. This feature ensures that you can efficiently track and manage expenses related to your purchases, providing a clear overview of your financial transactions. To add expenses, begin by clicking on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Receipt section, use the green pencil icon to upload a picture of the receipt. On a desktop, you can simply upload the image. When inputting on a mobile or tablet, you have the option to either take a picture or upload a saved image of the receipt. Next, input the date of the receipt by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting the transaction date. Fill in the company details and provide a description of the purchase. In the category drop-down box, you'll find a comprehensive list of categories to which the purchase is related to. The Paid By drop-down allows you to specify the payment method used for the purchase. Include your purchase reference if needed. And finally, enter the net amount of the purchase. If you are tax registered, you will see the tax rate, and you can edit this to suit the purchase. By accurately inputting your expenses in the app, you can keep track of your spending, manage your finances efficiently, and ensure that all relevant financial data is organized and easily accessible. This helps you maintain a clear overview of your business expenses and facilitates financial planning and decision-making. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your account with the Heating app. Now that your setup is complete, head over to our other videos, where we will demonstrate how to utilize the app's features effectively and get the most out of its functionalities. These tutorials will equip you with the knowledge to seamlessly navigate and optimize your experience with the Heating app.